Changing your username on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Username option. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Username or Profile. Tap on it to proceed to the Username Change section. Step 4. Enter your username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it meets any character requirements specified by DoorDash and check for availability to ensure it is not already taken. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you've completed these steps, your username will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.